Building a strong affiliate network is crucial for the success of any affiliate marketing program. One of the key components of building this network is finding and approaching influencers who can promote your products or services. In this video, we will guide you through the process of finding and approaching influencers to help you build a strong affiliate network. When it comes to finding influencers for your affiliate network, it's important to first identify your target audience. Who are the people that you want to reach with your products or services? By understanding your target audience, you can find influencers who have a similar target audience and align with your brand. This will ensure that their audience is more likely to be interested in what you have to offer. Once you have identified your target audience, it's time to start researching influencers in your industry. Look for influencers who have a strong presence on social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. Analyze their content, engagement rate, and audience demographics. This will help you determine if they are the right fit for your affiliate network. After researching and shortlisting influencers, it's time to approach them. When reaching out, make sure to personalize your message and highlight why you think they would be a good fit for your affiliate network. Offer them incentives and benefits for joining, such as commission rates, exclusive offers, or access to new products. Remember, building relationships with influencers is a two-way street, so make sure to offer value in return. Building a strong affiliate network requires nurturing long-term relationships with influencers. Once you have onboarded influencers, provide them with the necessary resources, support, and guidance they need to succeed. Regularly communicate with them, provide updates, and make sure they feel valued and appreciated. This will help foster loyalty and encourage them to actively promote your products or services. Finding and approaching influencers is a key step in building a strong affiliate network. By identifying your target audience, researching influencers, personalizing your approach, and nurturing relationships, you can create a network of influencers who will drive traffic and sales to your affiliate program. Remember, building a strong network takes time and effort, but the results are worth it.